so let's get started. Alright, so in this part of the video, we are going to be taking all of our dry ingredients and putting them into the mixing bowl. First, we have 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so let's get started. On the wet ingredients. I have 2 large eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, a half cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a cup of boiling water. Now that we have our 2 different ingredients together, let's mix them all into one bowl. Alright, now that we have that all stirred, we're going to put it into a pan and then into the oven. Okay, so now that we have it all into the pan, it's going into the oven. Now we wait for 30 minutes. Okay, now that we have the cake in the oven, we're going to get started on the icing. For the chocolate frosting, we'll need half a cup of butter, 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder,